Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you a little trick that's going to save you a bit of money. So I'm going to teach you how to maximize your print space in Cricut Design Print and Cut to make sure that you're using a full page of sticker paper instead of just a half or a little piece of it. Obviously really hard to reuse what's left of a print and cut if it doesn't use the whole thing. So this will apply for any shape, any design, any size. As long as you're using this one little guideline, you'll be fine. So to start with, we're going to go across here to the left to your shapes and select a square. So I use centimeters here, so you can convert this online if you need to, but for the centimeters we go and unlock our padlock up the top where the size is, and we select 17 wide by 24 high. And then just close your padlock again. All right, so you've got this square now, or this rectangle, which is essentially your sticker backing or your image backing. And don't worry, you won't see it, it won't print out, you're going to remove it. So to put your stickers on there now, you just go upload, find your image that you're going to use, this one, insert images. It'll open up huge, so just go up to your width, and I just changed mine to 8 personally. That's the size that I like for my die cut stickers. So select anywhere and that will minimize it. So then you can just place these guys on here. Once you've got the first one where you're happy with it, duplicate it. Don't be afraid to change them around. They don't all have to line up, especially if they're going to be die cut. It won't matter how they look on the sticker sheet when printing and cutting because you're going to pop them out anyway. So select both of those guys, duplicate again, and then just keep duplicating until you've filled this virtual sticker sheet. So keep moving them down. Once you're happy with how they're placed, you can reposition them as much as you like, allowing room for cutting, obviously. This looks pretty good. Right, so once you've done that, you will select your backing and delete it. So you can see it's left your stickers exactly where you place them. Highlight all of those and select attach down the bottom. So now you can see that they're all attached underneath this one little banner here. So essentially one sheet, you can shift them around, you can do what you like. So you can just place them back. I like to line mine up with the one. Okay, so once you've done that, press make it, and voila. Full page print, all bar this little bit down the side, but that's much better than half a sheet being used or less, or that's much better than Cricut Design maybe selecting these top 4 on one page and pushing these other 4 down onto another page. So you're wasting so much sticker paper by that happening. If you just use this simple guideline, 17 by 24, every single time you place out your stickers, you will always get a full print page. I've done this countless times. It's never failed me. And it's just so much easier on your wallet and so much better on your psyche too, that you're buying a heap of sticker paper that you're not just going to shove in your printer and waste. So yeah, hope that's helped you, and look forward to seeing all your stickers that you're making. These ones in particular I've hand drawn the other night, so these are now available on my Etsy. You'll find the link in the description to my Etsy. Also, you can find my Facebook and Instagram if you like, and I will be uploading many more videos after this. Everyone has to start somewhere, and this is my first video, so I'll be uploading many more, so keep an eye on it and see if I can help you out any further. Thanks guys, have a good day.